Kevin and
Travis.
150cc dads and lads. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning the air filter on the SX Royal Husky TC50. Last video was on cleaning the bike, changing the oil and that type of thing, but that bike's been sold. Trav, what have we got now?
An EE5.
And what is that?
Husky on an electric bike.
Yeah, we've got the Husky Electric EE5. It's brand new. It takes very little maintenance. We've still got the SX. Why? Because that's your
Race bike.
race bike. So obviously, to compete properly, apparently you can't mix the classes yet. Electric bikes and the petrol bikes, even though it's pretty much the same frame, etc. So we will talk about maintenance because that's what the petrol bikes require. Lots and lots of it. So Travis, if you'll pass me each item one at a time as to what's required to do an air filter clean. Okay. Right, a nice clean bucket. Next. Ziploc bag like this. The 50cc air filter fits perfectly in one of these in case you want to take an extra one to the track. We use about 6 air filters. We run them all dirty, and once they're all dirty we do a bulk sort of cleaning. Today we'll just be cleaning one because that's all we have. The rest are all waiting for lockdown to finish. So whenever you've got your air filter out of the bike, you inspect the air filter box for dirt or excess oil. You stuff one of these down into the air filter box to stop any dust going in. You cover it up with one of these KTM air filter covers, ideal for when you're washing the bike with a high pressure cleaner or servicing the bike, and the air filter, the seat's going to be off for any extended period of time. Good pair of gloves to protect your hands. This is our dirty air filter box, container. Ice cream containers are ideal for this type of thing. So as each one gets dirty, you pop it in here and replace it with a clean one. So Travis is going to show you what the air filter looks like when it's dirty. This one's got about an hour and a half on a motocross track on it. What shape is that, Trav?
The Easter Bunny.
The Easter Bunny shape, yes. We normally keep all our dirty ones in here. Today, as I said, just one. Next item. Household dishwashing liquid. It's the final clean you do on the air filter. A really good quality air filter oil like this one is by Motul. You have to use a proper air filter oil. It stays sticky forever. A roll of paper towel, always going to be useful. And this is the container that we keep all our prepared air filters in, the ones that have been cleaned and oiled, etc. So there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all ready and waiting, so that they stay clean in your workshop, wherever you store them. And last but not least, you need a really good quality degreaser, not petrol or gasoline, because that damages the air filter itself. The foam of the air filter gets damaged by petroleum. So something like this that's water soluble is the best thing. Right, Travis is going to show us his new bike. Show us, Trav. What is this one?
An EE5.
Wow, that's cool. And there's the controller for it. Charger in the box. Okay, so now we're going to be showing you how to get an air filter out of the SX. Okay, and there you will see the air filter. Oh good, this one is actually a little bit dirty. So to remove it, pull the clip back, and there you'll see the bunny shape. Okay, hold on. So Travis has lifted it off. Take it away. And if you had a torch or something, you would look in there and to see if there's any dust and aggression coming through. There's nothing. So what we do is to protect the air filter from dust. Okay, and then this goes on top, clips in. Thank you, Travis. You're a good assistant today.
There's two of them.
Yeah, put them both in. Okay, guys. So the actual air cover itself, airbox cover. Get yourself some carb cleaner. You just spray it on like that.
This is yours.
Thank you, my sausage. It's got a picture from Emily. Leave it recording. Okay, so this is going to soak. Travis is going to take that and put it in the basin for now. Here are our dirty air filters. We've got two. We're going to put some of the degreaser into that. The old degreaser, we don't throw it away. We keep it. We recycle it and we use it for cleaning motorbike chains. Normally I would do this over a basin or something, but we're trying to show you with like close up on the table. Now you can see that the air filters have no longer got any grease or any oil in them.
Stop. Okay, now.
So now we need to clean these. You can see putting ordinary water in there. I'm going to put some dishwashing liquid in there. That's probably too much. And now without twisting or wringing them out, you've got to just sort of bunch them in and out the whole time like this. Normally you can do like 5 or 6 at a time. You can squash them, but you mustn't wring them. You might wonder why we're doing this, because they look pretty clean before. Well, the solvent gets rid of the oil. Once there's no oil, then the dust is still inside the air filter, and the only way to get rid of the dust is by washing it. I'm going to pour this out really slowly so you can see the amount of dirt that came out at the bottom.
This is yours, Chubby.
Thank you.
It's Travis's
It's kids are all at home, so we're having lots of fun with the video today. Travis, you can see, Mimi, how much dirt is in there.
I think it's for Chubby.
Okay, thank you. Alright. Okay, so we have cleaned our air filters now with domestic dishwashing liquid. Right, so we're going to take them in a piece of paper towel and we're going to squash them up like this. Give them a good old squeeze and you'll see quite a lot of the water's come out. We'll now get some more like that. Don't shake the camera so much, Travis. Okay, and then we got like that and like that. Right, the air filters are now pretty dry. Travis is going to follow me around to our fan, which is our drying element. It's quite useful to have a fan like this with a basket in front. I'm going to turn it on now. It's going to be a bit noisy and it's going to dry the filters. We'll be back shortly when they're dry. These two cleaned filters, I'm going to put them in the container. Don't bump it. I'm going to pour a little bit of motor on there. Be so careful not to overdo it because it's so easy to over oil them. It's just a waste of oil and it ends up running down the airbox. Right, so now comes the process of kneading them, as they say, like as if it was a piece of bread. So the job now is to try and spread the oil that you put in, and you can lap some off from the old container as well. be done properly. I'd say that one's probably good. Okay, so we're going to be replacing the air filter now. Okay, got to make sure that it's seated nicely in that hole on the edges like that. That it's clipped in nicely by giving it a little bit of a tug to make sure that it's seated. Thanks, stop. Alright guys, that's cheers from Kev and
Travis.
I hope you enjoyed our air filter video. We are going to be coming back soon with a carburetor clean as well as a exhaust packing video. Maybe even a front brake bleed, because that's something we need to do on the bike. But until then, be safe. Ciao.